this webCRM educational video, we're going to look at the contact persons in webCRM. The contact persons are normally placed on the customer card in webCRM, but if you use or if you have a customer using the B2C version of webCRM, which is the business to consumer version based on private persons, you'll find that the actual customer card has been replaced or remodeled, if you could say that, with the contact person information because it is a private person system. But in this situation, which is the normal B2B version of webCRM, the contact person will be placed on the customer card. If we edit this contact person, we'll have some different informations that we can look at. First of all, we have their name, of course, first and last name. It could also be possible to choose in the middle name if you have chosen that up in configuration and data fields, where you define which standard fields you want visible or not on the actual customer card. You can also choose if the contact person is to be active or resigned. If you choose them as resigned in the company, that basically means they stopped at the customer, and now they'll be marked with red text on the customer card, and they will also be excluded from all mass mailings made from webCRM. Then we have their email information, and then we have this checkbox called block mass mailing. And if this one is checked off, this also means that the person here will be excluded from all mass mailings by choice. And by choice, with that I mean that they themselves unsubscribe from the newsletter that had an effect into this webCRM system. Then we have a Skype possibility. If you know your contact person's Skype name, you can actually enable this feature by putting in the Skype name, and then you'll have a possible Skype button to click on, and then it will call directly to the customer through Skype. We have a job title, we have some telephone numbers, and we have a comment box in the bottom for general information. In the right side, we have the normal user-defined custom fields, and then some economic information from the new economic integration. You can also upload documents on the customer card. The documents will all be gathered up in the customer card's document folder or document tab, but it will be linked in this situation to the specific contact person where it's uploaded. You can also go up and click this link up here to see which informations or which entities the contact person has been a part of in your webCRM system. And you can, of course, create an activity on the contact person. You can send a mail to the contact person, and you can book a meeting directly with this contact person as well, and you can print out the contact person. This link over here to the left side is called Mark Email as Bouncing, and this feature actually, when clicked, is putting a little logo here with an envelope with a red circle in. Basically means that the person's email had an issue, had a failure, and it was bounced back to your Outlook, where you can go in now and then mark it as bounced here. When this one is checked on or clicked on, it also means that the person won't receive any mass mailing in the same way as with block mass mail and if the person is resigned. But of course, remember to get the mail address updated, but because this doesn't mean that the person didn't choose not to have them anymore, it just means that the person's mail bounced. So that was all about the contact person card.